As winter approaches, so does the inevitable scenario of soggy boots after a day spent in snow or rain. There's nothing worse than sliding your foot into a cold, damp boot to greet the frosty morning. Fortunately, technology has provided a perfect solution: boot dryers. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on best boot dryers, aimed at making your winters warm and cozy. So watch the full video and check the description for more details. Number 1 is JobSite Boot Dryer. Experience cozy, dry mornings every day with the JobSite Boot Dryer. This fanless thermal air dryer ensures your boots, shoes, or gloves are warm and dry overnight, using natural convection heat that won't overdry or shrink your footwear. The silent operation, with zero noise, makes it an excellent choice for quiet drying. With a focus on safety, this heavy-duty boot dryer is designed with non-slip textured thickened rubber to prevent slipping and has a 113 Fahrenheit working temperature. It's energy efficient, using only 36 watts, and helps reduce odors, making it perfect for work boots, kids' footwear, gloves, and more. Number 2 is Dr. Prepare Boot Dryer. Banish dampness and odors from your shoes with the Dr. Prepare Boot Dryer. This all-purpose shoe dryer is not only effective for boots, but also suitable for sneakers, flats, gloves, hats, socks, and more. With a constant heat range of 104 to 122 Fahrenheit, it quickly dries your footwear within minutes. The intelligent timer allows you to customize drying times for different types of shoes, reducing power consumption. The 90-degree folding design adds to its portability, making it an ideal companion for hiking trips. This boot dryer focuses on versatility, foot health, and extending the life of your valuable gear. Number 3 is Forlim Boot Dryer. Revolutionize your drying experience with the Forlim Boot Dryer and its creative telescopic bendable design. Its innovative dry ports reach deep into the toe box of high boots, while the 180 foldable dry rack accommodates footwear and gloves of all sizes and shapes. Operating silently, it efficiently warms air to 105 to 140 Fahrenheit, ensuring fast and effective drying in just 1 to 2 hours. The intelligent timer and wide application make this dryer energy efficient and versatile for various types of shoes, boots, gloves, ski boots, and more. Number 4 is OdorStop Boot and Shoe Dryer. The OdorStop Boot and Shoe Dryer go beyond drying. It permanently removes all foot odors. With high-output fans and a 3-hour countdown timer featuring automatic shutoff, this dryer ensures efficiency and safety. The heater and deodorizer can be controlled separately, offering a customizable drying experience. Easy to set up and use, it includes ventilation tubes, boot brackets, air outlet caps, and comes with a 3-year warranty. Please note that Ozone products cannot be shipped to California. Number 5 is Kendal Shoe Dryer and Ozone Deodorizer. Designed for efficient drying and deodorizing, the Kendal Shoe Dryer features a one-piece design, improving airflow without additional tubes. With a powerful 250-watt drying system and 20% increased airflow, it's one of the fastest on the market. 4 extendable tubes allow versatile use for shoes, boots, socks, gloves, and more. The timer and heating functions provide convenience, and the built-in ozone deodorizing function eliminates unpleasant odors. Portable and user-friendly, this dryer collapses for easy storage when not in use.